Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me something just introduced by Rapido, the Rapido Dreamer City Camp VW camper. Actually, it's not a VW, it's a Ford, but it's the same sort of thing in a way. Let's have a look at this thing. It's going to cost 80,000 euros. So, well, what's it got? It's got a door at either end. It's got a camping bench. That's a good word, I've just made that one up. And this camping bench comes with one burner. I suppose that's fair enough in something this size. This comes also with a large sink. Haha, that's an innovation, I'd have to say. I think having one burner and a larger sink than most of these things have, isn't a bad idea. I'm going to go along with that one, and in here we will find, I think that's meant to be a space actually to keep, well, it's a storage, isn't it? But it could be a space potentially for a fridge if there weren't one anywhere else, which there doesn't appear to be. So this thing here, right, two forward-facing seats and a bench. Bed is over the back. Let's go around and have a look at that right now. Have a look at the front. It's the same. This is the new Ford Transit Custom. A tent in the roof with a view, although most of them seem to have a view nowadays anyway. Come round the side. Just in case you don't believe the cost, there you go. 505 centimeters long. I didn't say that. 3-ton basis, 204 height, 203 width, and that's what it looks like at the back. Well, storage. I think there's a possibility for an outdoor shower, and you've got a sort of a bench here. Now, if you're going to make a bed out of it, this bit here comes down like that. That moves forward. That is your bed. There may be a mattress topper as well, which you want to use. This, however, is relatively, I suppose that'd be okay. For me, it'd be far too soft, but that might be all right for sleeping on if it came to it. Let's come around here. City camp, in my opinion, is a bit of a misunderstanding. Can't understand the idea at all behind this. For 80,000 you could get a proper motorhome. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.